Hey, what's up, guys? How you doing? It's a boy Jay, as you can see. Yeah, man. So right now I'm running with a brand new YouTube channel called Maggy Films, and I'm about to premiere a brand new movie called Rough When You Can't Read. It's gonna be awesome. Yeah, man. So I just want to thank you all for your loyal support in advance. Just tell a friend to tell a friend to tell them family overseas, everywhere to tune in and subscribe.
Rough when you carried, rough when you carried, rough when you carried. Oh, 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 yeah. Whoa, rough when you carried. When you carried, then you have your name Pambola. When you can't read, man, we take for your girl. When you can't read, you don't know what's going on in the world. Whoa, so much things are gonna pass you when you can't read. Rough when you can't read, rough when you can't read, rough when you can't read. Whoa, whoa. Rough when you carried, rough when you carried. Well, I have to learn how to read, you know. Cause you don't know when you carry things rough by you. Yeah, you know. Yeah, man. So you go, you know. Can't read the name Pambola.
How much time I tell us that I don't want you?
I move, sir. I say you're sexy. Run like a square.
I say something to you now, sir. You see, I hold my head straight when time me pass. Me not see you. Please don't see me. Stop calling to me. You not understanding. You can't. If someone like say, you not understand when time somebody don't want you.
You know, you're going to say, but I know, you know. I can't you pour them boy up so we drive markets and crown on them something like that. But, watch your face, man. I still love you here.
Don't mention that because you walk foot. Stop watch out my life. Stop watch the man them when me there on. Oh, tired and bright.
I wish you walk go down the road and drop in a pothole and ring your ankle. Right. Auntie. I a long time did there, so?
You can't me ask about it for no long time I did there, so.
I want you, auntie.
I say I expect to live.
What do you mean?
What you mean? What me mean? Me hear you and me see you.
I just call me there, I call to her, the for the dead man. She don't want me.
She don't want you, but you want her though.
Little bit.
You can't even buy one soap in here for wash your face. And you out there look woman. You know so me tired of you. Come to think about me tired of you. A time for you go on. Let me come lower. Because me don't want you feel like say me high. You there with me for a little bit.
you give
And
me.
all me a try with you not make no headway. Me tired of you.
I go do better, auntie man.
Me tired of you.
I go get up earlier morning now.
You sleep free. You eat for free. You all defecate for free. The last time, me have a little reason. I'ma put for you little food. One side, I'ma write your name on it. I'ma write my name on my food, you know. And when me realize you eat for me food, or for me name the pan.
Auntie, watch you know. Me never say for your name.
So you don't know noodle. Then your name, sir. Then your name noodle.
Antonio, my name, auntie.
So from all along you live here with me, no noodle me call you. So if you see for me name Pambula, you see? And your name Pambula, which one you supposed to eat?
Me fi it fiancé for me.
You fi eat fiancé for me, then have a little sense. You see? If you see your name Pambula, you fi eat it. Eat for your name. Me separate him, but me tell you something, I last I hit this. Me tired of you. Because when me put the things in my house to serve it in them, you eat off for me share, for your share, and everybody share. Me tell you, you have to find somewhere go.
I go find work, auntie.
On a work alone, you have to find somewhere to go. Your girl where they talk about this, so ask her to put you up.
Me no drive my next.
You know, drive my ex. Missy she come with her two hand and Missy she a left with bag. You look at this time I put in them sitting you pack up and get the girl for good. Me not in a foolishness with you. You have to go on, you have to go on. You have to go on, me tell you. Patrick a complain. Every morning before the Patrick get up and go and work. And he say when he buy the pit in them food to serve them for the week, you and yam them out. You can't turn.
I go take that.
No, you have to
auntie.
listen to me. You got to go. You have to go.
Go find
Me
work
tired of
again.
you. Me a feed you, me a clothes you, me tired of you, bossy. Go on. Go on, me done with you. Go on, me tired of you. Tired of you, man. Enough is enough.
True, auntie attack. Supposed to know somebody, you know. I'm the right person. Yeah, man. Yo, Link, man.
Talk to me now.
Yeah, man. What go on? No, I'm a police.
What do you mean? Me know it's Anthony this man.
I want a link. Yeah, I want a link to a license.
Listen me. Any link when me not have, you know, make yet.
I say you're good. That's why you're the right person then, man. Alright then, so watch you now, no? I want you link up a decent license for me. One nice looking one. You can do that?
No, you way, alright, you way, you want a light, right? We don't have to talk something. Pay for the farm. Take two passport size picture. No man, listen no man, tap, listen no man. You sound like you want overtalk me right now. Whisper me there. Me there bring me the house. Me a wait for somebody with some documents.
So about how much that I go cost you now?
Bring 50 grand there now, daddy.
50 $50,000?
Yeah man, just check me.
Alright, watch you now. I go put it together and come get a link in idea.
Me in the town right now, I bring me the house. Just come down in the town, go and tax office.
Yeah, in I town? Alright, my boss. I go deal with it, you know.
Yeah man, just check me. Yeah, I'm bring money with you now.
Alright then, cool.
No ram pudding you know. Yeah man. And then I want that.
Yo, Link man, what go on?
Yeah man, good news to find the next one. Yeah man, same procedure.
Oh, simple thing that man.
Now I'm bringing 9 o'clock tomorrow. Alright, that's it. No matter, yeah. Alright, good. Just relax, man.
I have to, I bring me la house.
Oh, no, listen, man. Just walk come over, man. Aye, well on, man. You don't see big old style Bromella house.
You never see it. Big man, me never see it. You know, should I tell me she use the thing where someone set someone like a house. And that I know that. Never see that.
So, beef tell us with a big old house.
Yeah, it's in the shape sort like a house.
So what about the road?
Nah, look so high, man. You see something in me eye. Wait.
Alright, anyway, give me documents.
So, me no know then give me that for.
Come on, picture them there.
Damn, man, me know me left sitting here, you know, man. I channel star. What? You need it, you have it.
No worries, man. That
You can deal with it.
That can stay for last.
Alright.
All I want to know is that this is important. You
Right.
pay for this.
Yeah, man.
And the 50 grand.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, 50 grand.
You know, me never left my bag in.
You never finish high school? No, it's the reason why I asked you.
What you talking about, man? Every whole I teacher them know me over that, you know. So take out fee out of that. Take out fee out of it. Take out. No take out more than the 50, you know.
No, we're good.
You sure?
We're good.
Alright. You left, yeah. You left for me, you know.
So,
Mm-hmm.
I let me tomorrow 9 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
I'll carry over depot to the big man.
Yeah.
But, no matter how yet.
Mhm.
How do you give me the look of 50 grand? You still have to do it, yes?
So that no deal with every, no?
No, you have to do it, yes.
So then couldn't just,
No, nobody can write nothing on the paper for you. Because you know what, when you go up on the road with the license, attache it because they're on the highway.
but a man, somebody did tell me one time, say, oh, once you pay the money, you're good in it, and for do nothing more, you know.
No.
Then just carry license, come give you.
No, say work, man. Can't be so. Come on, the money, man, I'll get the answer.
Yeah, man, then me no can, me no, as long as him a did it, and we're good, so we're good to go then.
No.
What go on now?
You never fill out them, man.
Eh? Then how me fi follow to sitting? Then you did tell me say me fi just get the farm and carry come. So see me carry come there.
No, me take go a tax office and pay your feet and collect the farm.
So now that me do?
You have to full out it too.
That never did it.
Alright, yeah. No, nevertheless.
Mm-hmm.
May feel it too.
Yeah.
Where name?
Antonio Williams, man, you just put in that, man.
And I same address where you live same way.
Same, yeah. You don't know me that long time.
9 o'clock about.
9 o'clock.
Yeah.
Depot. Link up.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so.
What? Go on, man. Now call the big man, man. Let's go on,
So
man.
if we go left your money?
What do you mean?
Oh, you are keeping money?
Go on, man.
Alright.
9 o'clock. Yeah, man.
Alright.
Wow.
Morning, boss.
Yeah, man.
Here we do this.
Yes, man. No long me I wait for your brethren. Sit down yourself.
Why we are sitting yourself?
What do you mean by why we are sitting down? Oh!
But me just we come in the office.
Yeah, what we know. It's building up there refurbished. And so forth.
Me
Look.
dress up.
Yeah, man, but we are in a tree, yes, sir. Yeah, so cool and nice and well good. Just sit down, man. Just like a school, man. Sit down.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, sit down, man. You know, it's like when you go to school, my youth. Sit down, man. You know, you see them bencher. Might get bigger, you know, but I see them thing. But I think me, you can't even hold. Hold on there.
So yes, sir.
Yeah, man. So,
Where you say, man? So where you say? No, man, enough for me this. I feel.
yeah, no fear. Just hold the pen. Hold the pen. How what happened?
So yeah, give me your work for, sir.
I know my work. You know the procedure, man. You have to go do a little write up and thing for the stuff and thing. Huh? How happened? What happened?
You see them right, sir, right?
No, man, I don't have to sit down with you. I'm about the place. So you just write up the thing and give me what happened.
Right, boy.
I know my work, but
Yeah, but you need to see if I do a little written test for the man. Simple, man. That's right. I take the seat. Just follow the instruction. You the right, that's the man.
Where you say me for put panis?
Just your name. Just read the instructions and follow what it is. Just your name and address or whatever. Any little thing. Just read it something. Never the right, that's all. Just follow the instruction, boss.
Hold on, the boss.
Wham!
I wish I say me for put my name again. Cause I left my glasses in. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Look right. Look here. It's sitting big. Look. See there? Name, address, DOB, date of birth. Just pull up with something, Bridget, and thing. That's it, man. Simple little maths, man. Did I write yourself? Then?
Right there, say there.
Right yourself. Just hurry up and write something, man. Set up a thing.
You not move from there, sir?
No.
I say your name, right?
Virgin, look. Oh, I go on. Look on top of the thing, man. You say DOB, gate. What? Sure. DOB.
Hey Siri, spell Anthony Williams.
Anthony Williams.
Hey Siri, spell Anthony Williams.
On the web.
Jesus Christ. What is this a phone? Anthony Williams.
Here's what I found.
Mad. Bossy, watch out now. Sitting around with the paper. Watch out now. You see like I wrong paper me get? Car. Yeah, watch out now.
Yeah, what? Yeah. Go up.
Me no normally. Watch out
Go,
now.
go.
Watch out now. This look hard still, you know. Me feel like I wrong paper me get.
Jesus Christ. You want me now? I better cut it. Come the right behind you, you not talk too low. Me hear everything where you do. Me hear Siri, are your friend. Listen to me.
Girl.
Whatever. Boss man. You look like you have to call your brethren, you know. Because trust me, wherever you want, it's a harder task, my youth. Just go call your brethren, you know. Yeah man, go. Go and go call him, because trust me, this don't look good. This don't look good at all. Not even a. What?
So which part? Where's A figure?
Hold on, man. Why, man? No, we can't believe this. Brethren.
Which part the A figure? Yes, sir?
All right. It makes sense to us. Humble and us. Easy now. You have to get a brethren for you. Go deal with it. You know, look too good still.
So we go call him.
Go on, go get a brethren.
And come back here, sir.
Yes, man.
Soon if we go back on the road in the bus, so we have to deal with this quick, you know.
No worry yourself, man. Because I see what happened. So,
Yeah, man.
why go get your shit?
Brother,
No, no.
I'm sitting in my shoe.
I'm not carry on the car, it's in love big.
All right, yo. You stay.
Hold on.
Yeah, stay right there, sir. Come on, man. Sit down, man. Sit down. Yeah, man. Me say, we put down a little sitting to right if you give man one simple little test. And look there. He blank. Not even a A. He say, when we look at him, man, me see bend down here, so. See me, I tell serious every spelling.
Really serious, you know?
Yeah, spelling him. But if me say the man not even right A
Yo,
for the
yes,
thing.
want me to tell you, we can chop a piece of food off of it.
That me I tell the brethren.
A 50 grand me get gone, you know.
You what happen still? A PPV license plate, him a look for carry to worry. So, well, I know.
Regular.
And he's so, how we get that for fool, man? Well, I know. Let me show you something. That man look like he can chop a wicked food off, you know, because guess what?
Like what, so?
Hey, we can't lick all our food off, you know, because you what, no, man?
No, you're talking cars,
Yeah,
we
man,
can
yeah,
get
yeah.
100 still, you know.
Yeah, what we have to do now? See, you get your share ID, you know. So I feel my time now, you know. But hold on there. Wait.
No, I will let get it.
Yeah, but you get your food, but just hold on, let me
No,
cut for
the
me.
50 come take it in.
Yeah. Hear me now. Zine, I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do, Zine. I'm going to tell him, say, I want half a meal, but now can work before because PPV license plate and easy thing to get. And we will get in trouble. So here what happen now. If you collect the food from him, boom, he comes to me give a piece of food because fee work a risk, you know.
No, me can't read, you know. So when you call piece of food, how much that?
You done with talk about that. So,
The call piece of food can mean
yeah,
thousand.
anyway, we have to go see what he must say first, cause you know. Alright, so I'll call
Can't
him.
believe it, the man really. I mean,
Look at the paper. Look at the paper.
Write up a thing, man. Just ask him.
Not even a little drop come out of my pen. Nothing right. Anyway,
Call him over.
call him over.
Come in.
Yo! Come here, man. Come here. Yo! Come in, come in. Hey. Keep a straight face, you know. Keep a straight face. Can't look, you know. Make you look serious, you know. Come. Hold on.
Let me talk to him. Come on, so. Go.
Alright, you know what? Come on, man. Yo, hold it. Deal with it.
Yo, we can't believe it, sir. Not me and name, you know, paper. Me didn't know you couldn't read.
Man, can't give me paper clean. I don't want to give my clean, isn't it?
No, I don't say work when they call me, you know, and tell me say you look about license. The reason why I tell you 50 grand, you know, you have to give me 50 post up on the license, you know. Me think a regular license. Listen to me, it's a PPV license. Expensive. Right now the man want 400,000 because you can't read him and go write out all of them.
What?
I did $500,000 and then drop it down.
For this?
You want it or not? Yo, how you think you can't tourist and can't read? Next thing you go see, turn here, you go turn this up.
But I can't read general way I don't. I just watching it. Me left my glasses and watch it. Remember that fine. You know see that you gave me see something good.
Listen to me. This here mean surname. When it says surname, it mean last name.
What name?
Lord of God, Bridget. Surname mean last name.
Your name, my sir. Who for last name?
No, my last name. My last name, yes.
I can't confuse me now.
And your first
So I pay your last name figure yourself.
Lord of God, I see why the man have problem with you. Listen to me. 400,000. Let's get 400,000 to come and get it. We can't take it. Can't take it straight. Yo. And the first problem we go through with somebody like this.
400,000. Including set 390.
Listen to me. Remember I saying a man can go to prison. Remember, you know, because when you get the license and you see left turn here and you go take a right turn, right? And looking at people, vehicle and police come down and look on the license and ask you, how you get it?
I'm tell you say buy.
Lord of God, you can't do that.
Then you buy me. So I never free.
No, you drive it.
Oh.
You know, buy lights. Yeah, you know, buy lights.
So if you tell a lie then.
I don't lie, I tell him.
But me never drive.
No, listen, 400,000. 400,000, do. You can't take it. 100, come on, fight. You want more, go on there?
Even 10,000 more?
No, 400,000, a big deal. A prison work at there now. A tourist, you have plan to carry now. And once you lick a vehicle with them, you know it's a lawsuit that.
You see, because I want to live a pay yourself.
Alright.
400,000. Yeah, man, Tuesday we have the money. Tuesday.
So I go on. Everything alright?
Yeah, man.
Everything up?
Yeah, man, everything good.
Alright, yeah, man.
I say 400.
Yeah, man, yeah,
400.
that can work it.
So you can't tell me, look a piece of sitting for that few minutes.
No, man, what you say, man? You go the wrong way, man. Remember, I said we chop something, you know. And a lot of things involved. Yeah, man, so if 4 good, man.
400.
Yeah, man, a half of them sitting there, but
400
4 good. Work with the 4. Shh. Bridget, remember, I say, yeah, we're there, man. A dipper, we're there, you have to take time to hold it. And you mention nothing about money over here.
Tell him.
Make you see, you tell him.
Yeah.
So you take off your lunch money?
Boss, man, just make you stay away there, man.
Alright.
We rest this up. See?
400.
Yeah. Shake for me.
Yeah.
Tuesday.
Alright, cool. Yeah, man, you're good.
Rough
But,
when
man,
you carried.
go on, man, check me. Can you do
Rough
it?
when you carried. Rough when you carried. Oh, yeah. Whoa. Rough when you carried. name Pambula. When you can't read, man, me take for your girl. When you can't read, you don't know what's going on in the world. Whoa, so much things are gonna pass you when you can't read. Rough when you can't read, rough when you can't read, rough when you can't read. Whoa, whoa, rough when you can't read, rough when you can't read.
Hey, Mas Lambert. Yeah, man, what going? Stop going like a madman, man. You don't know how to talk to you already, man. Yes, What you know? Yes. Me have a look on news here. So, you know, say my grandfather dead. Or him a go dead. And we are sell out the goat and the cow them. I don't know if you don't want 2 goat and 2 cow for buy. Yeah, man. Here cow there, so you ain't sound fat? Yeah, man, that we are sell. Me I tell you, say cow rosy and nice, sissy boy. And the goat them proper. What you know? So for 2 of them, I get a good price, you know. I want 400,000. You get the cow for 400,000, but I give you a goat as brata. Yeah, man, a simple look sitting that, man. You can't deal with it. Yeah, man, just cool, man. Just, brother, me not lie to you. Alright, so here what? Carry $400,000 come and come link me between 11 and 12 o'clock tonight. No, watch you know. You can't transfer them in the day because they sleep in the daytime or only in the night time they wake. Yes, so we have to wait till the night before we can move them. Plus, me not too like people up in our business. You see me, because you don't know people watch and chat more while. So me not too like that. So here what? Link me between 11 and 12 o'clock tonight. Carry the van. You know which part to meet me. Alright? And remember to bring the money. Alright, my boss? Remember, you know, 11 or 12 o'clock sharp. Good? Cool. Don't ramp with me, you know, brother. Yes, you do a good cause. Because remember my uncle want the money.
Yeah.
Big up. What go on?
That's this, you know, man.
Yeah, man.
Real
So what go on? Everything alright?
Yeah, man, I have this.
Yo. Give the bag now, man. You have the money? Give the money, man. We have your thing I say no youth. Yeah, man. Everything in there.
Shut up.
You have everything in the boss. Yeah, man. Anyway. So, see this international. You know what this means to youth? All the niggas foreign, you know.
Can fly out with it?
How we are saying when you drive on any highway you drive on. I use that. Look for that.
This thing is clean, man. Wait,
What you mean?
we can all see through it. But wait on the boss. What is the whole for?
Hey, you see that hole? That hole means prosperity. You understand? Hey.
But wait.
Hey.
I hold this, sir.
Are you that? I mean, who this? Now you that, man?
I don't mean that.
Yeah, man, look good, man. Look good. Then you say you can't see without your glasses, man.
No, brown.
You say, look here. Let me explain something to you.
See the Anthony.
Right.
Yeah, man, are you that, man?
I saw Anthony spell.
Boss, man, you know say you don't have your glasses with you, man. That's why you can't see.
Yeah,
And plus,
man,
them picture there, you know, are when people bleaching and then come back too. Now you that, man. Look good. Are you, man?
Me did that straight nose and time I did
Jesus, peace, brethren. Are you that, man? Are you that?
Which photo this, sir?
Jesus, peace. Me say I used to bleach, but you get back black. Yeah, man. Are you, man?
Say I mean this, sir.
Are you that, man? Yeah, man.
I'm not sure.
Boss, man.
are you? Listen to me, man. Look, you don't need. What I do? Are you?
I try to take
I
it.
don't see picture. You see when they take it.
I know, yeah, man. 3D. Ever hear about 3D?
I 3D this.
Yeah, man. 3D, man.
It's
It's
a
on the
3D.
front. Yeah, man. That's why you have to look at it.
Hold on, man.
Where you get picture from?
Hold on it. Me never remember to carry picture then come give you. So where you get picture from?
Oh, guess what? Remember say you're big and famous in a year right now. And you name Anthony, you know. So I just use Siri and Google it and find one.
I Google, I Google me.
Alright.
Google
I
them.
Google picture.
I may Google this, yeah.
See the all that. Alright. See it there?
Hey,
That's why the whole of it, like, because
international.
Yes, man.
international.
Right.
Hey.
Prosperity.
Hey, this shit, you know.
Prosperity,
Yo,
my
police
youth.
can't chat to me, you know, you know.
Tattoo.
But drive too fast and not crash, go too normally. When I see police, turn on four-way flasher.
So me not fi just show them this and then gone.
No.
You what, man?
Just keep it in your pocket, man.
You what,
Oh, me
man?
fi put it down.
If they ask you nothing about the complexion, just tell them say you used to bleach. That is all.
Right.
See, we just make it look a little brownish, but are you that? Are you that, man?
And me.
Yeah, man. Are
Yeah.
you that, man?
It might show a straight face, but that's when take it.
Oh, you know say if me turn you one look away, fear with it through the wall.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, me see it, man, me see it. If me turn it, yeah, man, me see that.
Alright, alright.
That 3D sitting there.
Let me not tell you, man. Yeah, man. I new type, man.
Yeah, man, yeah, man, yeah, man, yeah, man.
yeah.
I eat, man.
Yeah, yeah.
I eat, yeah, man.
Yeah.
Come in that.
You know, $5,000 more for you.
No, never care. This look for them. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Never, no. You all have to go to bank.
No, one, man. Everything good.
You good? You sure?
Yeah, man. Me and General all the time.
Now talk a little bit.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You're good, man.
Yeah, man, I can't walk out with this.
I mean, man. Nobody can
Oh,
talk
not
to
show
you.
nobody, you know.
No,
Don't
for sure.
tell them say you have it, but not show nobody.
Nobody can talk to you.
If
In turn, no?
anybody
No.
asks, yeah, listen up. If anybody asks where you get it, just tell them, say, I Google it.
Oh.
Hey, you wanna start with that?
It's when Siri and Google work. It's when Siri and Google
Yo, man, I gotta get enough more work.
Yeah, man. How about yourself,
Me have
man?
full coverage in, you know.
Go on, man. Go on.
You want wicked better than where you find that?
Hold on. I mean, you call wicked the way you call yourself.
No, but I think you actually take a picture and put it on something.
That the man they come in like some boy, he have 5 cents, he come like 3 or 4 missing. How you get him?
I'm never rub the eye, come here, say, I would have blood verse here.
No, sir. Oi, every day wants to somebody like that. Anyway, give me back.
Lord
Give me back.
of God,
Give me
man.
the, hey, I make it hold it too long.
Couldn't forget it.
Oh, clean, yo, hey.
Yeah, so, no,
Relax, man, you get your piece. We
but you know,
Eh?
when I look on him, I say, you couldn't find one dark somebody, man.
No, you know, sir, only one we could have find. But we know same they're gonna bite, man. Don't worry
If
yourself.
police ever tap him, you know,
Him get what they don't get.
I straight prison, you know. Him not come back.
Yo! Love his business in a youth. Right mess, man.
And tell him,
Anyway,
man,
we
tell
are
him,
gonna drink out first. So follow me, man. Come.
All right, big man.
Yeah, what are going, brother?
No, man, boy, get the license, you know. Unless him could have helped me get all a taxi down. You know, I make a money, man. Yeah. Dog, go on. Yeah, man, yo, dog, license good, man. Yeah, man, me I tell you, man. Yo, dog, I want to tell you, I not keep it out of me. Every time I looking at my pocket bag, my license, then you see it. Me ready for the road right now. Anything at all that can help me get. Me must say, I use your name is a link, man, you know, man. Yeah, man, taxi, robot, anything at all right now, brother. I drive around some white people in some vehicle, anything at all bike car, you see me? Yeah, man, they not do. Brother, man, just cool, man, just set the link to my G. Anything at anybody, if you hear nobody, or know anybody when know somebody when know want somebody, yeah, man, just tell them, say, oh, me I look alright, you see me? Brother, just deal with it, no, man. White plate, red plate, pink plate, any color plate come in and we work it, man. You don't know my thing already, man. We work anything, man. Listen, yeah? Alright. Make sure you link me, you know. Yeah, man. Alright, my general. Cool. Mr. Link, man. Them boy are full of links still. You don't know, man. Less than a 3, man. Get that.
So, SMG, Why I name?
Wagwan.
Real man. I really want fast in our business, but me I look at taxi for run, you see it?
Then I fast in my business, man.
No man, just there so I go on, you see it, chill out, you see it, I make a
So
call.
you hear me talk on the phone?
Yeah, but then people now walk past and I hear loud they talk to them father. That's all loud. But me have one taxi, me have one car still, you see it? I don't know if you see it, interested.
You say I have one car there?
Yeah man, from last week, I try to get one driver feet, but
What you say?
you
Then
see
me
it.
know the real right driver, brother, man. I want you.
say.
Me a drive from my idea, me need, brother.
I saw Jarrett man, cause
Yo.
from my phone I try so I can, you see it?
Then a God send you, yes, sir.
I tell you man.
Yeah, man. From your born, man, God send you come, man.
I tell
Yo, I saw me know how Jah works, you know. You're a real link, you know. Yeah, man. So what you say? What the I name?
Yeah man, a tsunami then call me still.
Tsunami?
Yeah, you see it?
Yeah. Antonio Williams, me name still no, but you don't know them know me in the street as Noogle, you see me?
Oh, see.
Yeah, man.
The machine around there so still, you know?
You around there, sir?
Yeah, man.
So when you can go look on the machine, man.
Yeah,
Where you say, hot right?
Anytime you want to see it,
Hot
man.
girl?
Father, I look on it right now.
Yeah, man.
Mm-hmm.
Like a God said, you know, my G.
Alright, what not say, you see it?
I'm good, man. I'm good.
You ain't a drink?
I'm good, man. Boom.
No, I'm a general. Yo, watch out. Yo. Yo, man, car, brother. I'm my car. This. Yo.
Say no woman.
Father, I'm my car. That. Come in, man. See my car, brother. Those people in car, brother. See my car. So I'm to this. Nothing wrong with the brother. Yo. Come in, man. I just want to cut dent, bro. Nothing wrong with him, father, man.
Jesus Christ.
No car.
So you have a car there?
Just someone of these. I just want to cut dent. This is my father, man. I said that, man.
Little dent.
Yeah, man. I just want to cut dent.
Me I see you whole eye belly.
Yeah, man. I say, man. A good car, man. A brand new car I buy nowadays, to them, brother.
The whole of my foot go out the door.
Man, I say, man. A brand new. I want a lady running in the back of the man. I'm running a one taxi, man. A simple thing, man. But insurance, they give me all $3 million. So I go and wait off so I can give all one little thing out of it. But for right now, I want a little thing still. So you can run the road. I don't know red plate, but you see me, I want a piece of food. God no.
So
you say?
you could use that one there.
Brother, and my car, that brother is a youth or what is a car, that brother. Take your mind off of that. You want to work or brother?
Yeah, man.
You know, you may put your phone and look at work, say you want to run taxi, man.
Why?
That's it. So I say, if you get the red plate, you know, but you can just go and run some robot. Go down there, you see it?
I deal with it, man. Yeah, man, I deal with
What
it.
you want to?
I
Want to see how you drive, you know?
want to man, I'm a big driver, you know.
You say you license, but I want to see how you drive.
Like so fresh. You there hold it up so you can see chewy.
Yeah.
Good. Hey, them say a 3D. Yo.
You see it there?
You know, me not have it. Me not have it. Me left it car walk. Me walk forward. You see me? But yeah.
Alright,
man,
you may say that no. I just want to see how you drive then. And then,
I simple thing that
I
man.
want to know where you live to. Just show me your yard and I want to see how you drive. Then two things that we done. You can't take your car and go on the road. Look some money.
So you want to know which family?
No, because you want to, if nothing, I want to know you there. You see me? I want to know my car there.
No, sir.
You get
Me
me, I say?
not treat too.
No, I don't know this is, but then you wouldn't want to know your car there, sir. You just want to give somebody one car so and then gone and you don't know where they live. No,
I
man.
never sign up for this song. So until you look work,
No.
you don't forget the address though?
Yeah, what you mean? So when you go for an interview, they don't want to know where you come from and them things, brother. You just take a car so and gone and I don't know where you live, brother. And I like me at this, like you know, thief. But I just want to know where you live and I want to see how you drive. So, you ready you know?
Alright.
Come in, man.
Alright.
See how deal with
Yes.
it. See here.
So you couldn't push down this
Nah, man, you see show insurance, them not take the picture yet. Me just love it like that, you see me? No worry about that, man. That good, man. You
So
see
you
me?
sell it again?
That good, man. Come in, man.
Jesus Christ.
I remember say back like, you know, but a simple thing, man. A simple thing, man.
That can't happen?
No, it can't. It can't bust. But
So suppose more and load it up and carry 15 one time.
Just carry them on the top, man. Come in, man. Know yourself.
ticket you want me get in?
Know yourself, man. Watch out now. Any luggage you get, carry on the top, man, and tie them. See?
That's what I'm going to do.
Come in.
That's what I'm going to do. Yeah, man. Man, a big driver, you know, my boss. Yeah, man. Big driver, long time, you know?
Oh, God.
Yeah.
Fast machine and that, you know. So you have to take your time, man. You see me? Oi, man.
So sitting there now,
Jeez,
that now work good, man.
How you come from, man?
That now work good.
Eh?
That did not work good. Where I do now? Where you say we are?
Yeah, me say now, oi. You see that? And I saw you fight with it. Let me show you what I go on, because you have to go learn to put on.
That did not work good, man. That did hang me a while ago.
Listen me now, man. Alright, look, nobody mash up you, know, because you don't know, you know.
Where you say now?
Put in a drive, find the and go on the road. So I go on fast and quick car. Oh, dear, alright. Yeah, look for your phone.
You say me fi find D. I wish for you put it.
Someone mad, man. Brother, drive me in, put in a day.
What you talk about? Show me what you talk about. Car. It's a carrier.
You're not right, man, for your
No, watch you know. You see that carrier? I want a new type car them this. Yeah, man.
You know
it's a new.
You don't look like you can drive.
Just show me where you say. I bet you say me drive it.
Hold on, if myself find D and you look with D all about in the car, that means you can't drive.
No, but watch you know more while people tell me say they drop them money and then sit there I have to look for it. So I think I sit in the D.
Brother, sit there. Sit there. D.
And I see they talk all along then half a moon if you say me brother. You see there? Half a moon. And you go so and you gone. Yeah.
So this half moon.
Half a moon. And this a nitro. And this a race.
Brethren, I can't mash up no more.
Me nah mash up a car, brother, man. Me never yet crash yet for how long me have my license.
Alright, listen. Take your time and go on, because you don't know. Come like a teach, I've got teach up a driver.
No, man, I want to tell you, I'm a big driver, and I'm generally.
Alright, hold on, calm down. See it there? You see when you put in a gear, as I say, you have to press this on the side.
Right.
You can't just drive like you want, broke off. Press this, put in a D. D on a half moon, and a half moon. It might shape like a half moon, but on a half moon. You understand me I say? So that a D. You see R, a reverse. You sound there?
Race, right.
No, on a race. Reverse. P, have a park. So like a tap now, you just put in a P. You understand? So you don't know. Press this and put in a D. And go on the road. So put in a drive and go on now in a D.
Yes, sir?
Yeah, man. Take your time, brother. Yo.
I want to go on this, sir.
Save him, man. Take your time.
No, man. Watch out. I'm a slippers.
Go on the road, man, and take your time.
See, man, a big driver that one hand, man, a whole steering with you, know. Yeah, man, right off down here, so you see me?
See it. I don't know where you know which by you living in case.
Yeah, man. Right off here, so you see it? You want to know the exact house?
Yeah, man.
Exact house, then right there, man, right there, so.
Okay, right, so.
Yeah, right there, so.
The pink house, eh?
No, man, you see, I look on the wrong place, man, right there, so, me say, man.
Alright, that's where you live, alright. So you not go by your yard, you know?
No, me no need for go.
Alright.
See what me talk about, yeah, man, I'm a brother, you see me?
Praise.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
I'm a brother.
Yeah, man.
So, yeah, I'm over while me there, so too, you see me?
Praise.
Yeah, you know? I'm over there, so too. Yeah. You don't know. You have to, you know?
Praise.
And look at places, you see it? And sure, me go live good with everybody. Yeah, see it? Everybody know me, you know? Yeah.
Alright, that's all.
Yeah, man.
I'll give you a car for you to touch your road.
That's cool, man. You see car, I love me, man. You see car fit me, brother. Watch it. You can't hang up on the side. Yeah, man. I saw it. Yo, brother, I tell you, so the car drive decent with me, man. Me feel it, man.
So you wanna? Just me get the money every other day.
Every other is there.
Every other day.
Brother, I feel like every day me all would want carry come game, man. Yeah, man, some day with it, man.
Every day I just
Yeah, man, yo, brother, man, is an honest brother, you know, man. Yeah, man, anything, yeah, man, money for come in, man, you see me? I do the work, man. Yeah, the school, man. Yeah, man, straight. You see it. So, what may I drop off the eye?
just let me anyway down as someone.
Anyway, don't answer.
Let me answer. You touch the road now.
Tell me that me start to work to show you some really need it. Right, that's
me find where going.
Alright.
Yes, every day I get my money.
Every day like clockwork, my general.
Alright, brother.
You don't know the thing, man. For school, man.
You find me where going.
Big up yourself, man.
See it?
Yeah, man.
So, no say nothing there. Here.
Just hold it, no, man.
Alright, brother.
And watch no man, nobody call me, you know, me will call you, you see it? You see me? I saw the thing set. You see me, I go shout you, man. Just say a word, man. I take on the road, wicked, man. I'm not pay the phone, no, man. You see me?
Tell
Alright, my general. Outside.
You call if I nothing, man.
Man,
I don't know.
Alright. Yeah, man. They go on the ride, yeah? One and move, two and drive. I have my license to you, so yeah, me legal. Nigga, one and move, two and drive. Yeah, man. My people them there. When come in, man. Remember me legal, you know. Yeah. Mommy, nigga. Alright. No, man, go on, man. She not go your way, man. Out the way there, go. Alright, hush. You say a word, nigga, my G. Green jail. Nah, got that. My license not got green jail still. Yeah, man. Mommy, nigga. Yeah, my license, you know, I carry it, you know. No? Alright. I get it now, my general. I get it now, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah. Nigga, mommy. Hold on, make that carry past. I don't want nothing empty, you know. Alright, go on, see you, go on. Nigga. Alright, come through now. Tell mommy so I get your license here. Come now, people. Nigga. Hello? Bossy, where are they? Where are they? Me there, man. No, bossy, watch out, no. Me just come on road, you know. No, I'm just come on road, man. Not even one passenger not gone in there yet. Still empty, bossy. But now watch your face, man. I start you out, man. Nigga. Just say a word, man. As soon as my match up that thing, man, I come link you, man. Yeah, man. I run off this, man. I want you, bossy, and I can taste that idea. Is it? Bossy, not even a scratch. Somebody takes there. Yeah. Nigga. Aye, bossy. Bossy, I call so fast, man. I know I didn't even forward in that machine. Say then, empty ride, you know. One and move, two and jack, mommy, nigga. You're traveling at back, you reach late, you know, traveling at front, you reach faster. Yeah, man, you know, say I 3 bills to them turn off at all.
I know it's everybody bad, man. You don't have to worry yourself, man. You know what things set.
Yeah, so no.
Yeah, man, right. Very child, Boja, man. Yeah, this way. What you say? You have change?
2 bills plus the 3 bills turn off, so 5 bills that.
1,000 me have, you know.
1,000, yeah, man, I have change.
Alright.
Respect, yeah?
Yo, guidance, here.
Alright, man.
We catch up, man. Just be safe on the road, here.
Alright, bro.
Alright, guidance.
Yeah, Keisha, baby, we are going to do.
I saw me, I go yes, but I'm not going nowhere in that day. Because that day, mash up. What you mean, think I'm really going to look?
No, man, no watch that, man. I want to look.
I'm not going nowhere with you in that.
Keisha, you move,
sir. Me I go, and me not go
Keisha, watch
out.
Me get my license, no, baby.
And what?
Me legal, you know, no police can't stop. Watch out,
That
Keisha,
not
man.
have nothing to do with me,
Keisha,
baby
just
love.
cool.
Me
Hear me.
nah go in
Just
at
hear me, I
that.
say no, Keisha, man. Just come sit down in that front seat, man. Watch out, come sit the right side. I'm a baby girl. Turn on all the AC for you. Come on.
So you pick my friend PSC?
No, but I know what you do.
Eh?
But hear me, I say no, baby. Come, no, man. Come, no, man. Come, man. Come, man. Come, man. Me never put you in a back, man. Come, no, baby, man. Just move some, my friend. I carry this now, you know. You don't know the thing. Yeah, man. Come sit on the front seat, man. Yeah, baby. Cock up your foot up on dashboard if no, not really do that still, but yeah, you know. Yeah, man. Put on your seatbelt too, you know. I want to you. I might carry this, you know, baby. Feel nice, though. Yeah, man.
Thank you, I got my destination.
I just saucy, sir. Hey. Yeah, baby, I want to, you know, long more and put it in my front seat. Yo, a long time I tell you, I plan to get the right to put in it, and I have it now. Don't know the thing, yeah.
Would you all of that the car side they mash up and look so?
No, man, don't watch that.
As you get that the car, as you get the little car mash you up already.
Okay, I want to watch that, man. You might watch that, man. It's a cow walk out for me, you know. I swear to God, me no man tell you, say, yo, me never see which part the cow come from.
Oh, you want for salt? How long you have it before cow walk out?
Just get it the other day, man. But watch now, man. I go get you on $2 million insurance off head car. Watch now, the cow insure. And so me insure comprehensive, you see me? So me think them I'll give me back a food. So I saw me tell you the thing.
Me go before you make cow walk out in
no, man, out now, me just careful, man. I make sure take time with you because me don't want nothing happen to you. As me want to carry you safe away, I go, baby. I want to you. Plus we can get talk, though.
Talk about?
I'm taking you but a long time, and I look you, man.
Yes, sir. Afternoon.
Afternoon, sir. How are you, man?
Yeah, man. My name is Robert Brown,
Yeah?
and I am here from Forts.
Oh,
I'm a bailiff. I don't know if you know one Rowan Daly or you are Rowan Daly.
I mean, man. I mean that, man.
All right. So
How I go on?
you can recall that you took a fan from our company.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I take one funniest. How I go on?
All right. So we realized, upon checking, we realized that around 5 to 6 months now you have not made a payment. So I'm here to retrieve the fund.
Retrieve? What you mean retrieve? What that
Yeah,
mean?
man. Me come to take back the fund.
Oh, you mean take back your fan?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. But but still, if you can do something for yourself still, we can probably give you a little extension pan you can go and keep yourself cool.
What you mean? Like, would have come down and make a payment?
No. So give me a thing.
Oh, you?
Yeah, man. Cause if you go down there, you have to go pay full 6 months. You understand? But if you give me a little money, you can go and take it fan and go and cool down.
So I give you that money now, you put it on the bill.
Boss, let me see if I can speak patois.
You have to talk.
Yeah, man. Let me see if I talk patois. Here what I go on here now. Me spell it out for you. You who are the company. If you go down there, you have to go pay fee full 6 months, else them are go take a fan. But me willing to only take one little portion of your money, maybe 1 2 month payment from you. And for myself, not for your company, for myself.
Yourself?
Yes, for myself, and you go and use the fund until because Mark War, you don't use more than 2 months, you know. I mean, I only take 2 month payments. If you give me that for myself, you can go and use the fund. But if not, me have to go take it.
But I never you me take your fan from, so I can't pay you. But so what you say, I find you come for?
Alright, the up to you, my boss. Me nah go beat you on the bush. If you can't do something, me have to go take your fan. It's
John
simple.
no star. Time what you know, brother. Alright, hold on, let me see what I go on. I call. Because I have one little taxi on the road, you know. See if I can get to you, brother. So you can wait up for 25 minutes and...
No, man, go on, make your call, man. Make your call.
Alright, hold on.
Yeah, man, just do it fast, because me have a couple more people to go collect from you now.
Alright. Hold on there, yeah?
Yeah, man, hurry up, man, hurry up.
Tell us to hurry up and carry my destination. I'm not glad for going nowhere in a no car will look like this.
Hold on. Somebody a call, man.
And who I call him?
I want man who want the vehicle for rent, man. And I tell him, say, we don't have more vehicle for rent out, you know. Because you don't know, man, a businessman already, you see it. Somebody just rent him a vehicle, but No time for that, isn't it?
Don't know what's time. I don't get to. Well, I say I couldn't check me back in a Monday week, my boss.
Me sorry, no.
See, I can't line up on like do
No,
me a beg.
no, me
Do
boss. Me
time
sorry.
at man. Do me a beg, my
Me,
boss,
me
man.
understand, man, because me had to, but you have to just go for fun. The dog tied, oh?
No, sign not time, no.
Alright, hurry up. Me don't want no dog bite. Go on for fun, my boss. Please.
Why? Babes. Babes.
Hey, baby.
Why?
Hello.
It's a brown, you know.
Who is him?
Must say, him far from the foot, so I find him come for look at the one way.
Which one?
So look at we are still, but
You mean he foul for fun? What you mean? May I use a fan? You mean he foul for fun? Be talk to me.
you know, $1,000 put on me. You know, five man thousand.
Me not have no money for me for game. So why you have to give him money? What happened?
No man, I'm good man, general good man. Alright, let's go for fun cat. Come on,
But me I use the fan be.
my boss.
I'm go for him.
No.
No, me not want to send this up here. So with me this hard. I'm sorry. What is?
Alright, sign right to some boss. Yeah, man. I'm pass the fun same time. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Right this way you see X. Sign your name. Your name. Your name. You can't write your name. You can't write your name. Alright, no worry about no name. Just write one X there. So. Yeah, man. Even that you must can write X. Alright, good. Alright, then. Thank you, my boss. Yeah, man, and thank you for doing business with us. And please come and shop again. You're able to come again and shop, you know, but you won't be able to get any credit. Alright, sir? Have a wonderful day.
Oh yeah, go.
He me I go down a Ravian. Me can't turn na this a heat. This a, me can't stay in a heat. Be
Me funny man.
me can't bother. Me a go down a my friend. Me Ravian have fan down there, have air condition, everything. Me not hot when me down there. Me can't take the heat. Be
But how that man? Me
me
funny.
can't. Me
Me funny.
can't
Book
take it.
it.
Me
Book in
can't.
the man.
Me let go back no. Me can't take it. Me can't take the heat. Me a left man. Get back one fan
Me tell
and
us
call
me
me.
funny man.
When I get my one fan, me come back. Me can't bother.
Yeah, man, I tell you, say, 600,000, and the man say, man, for this, and I tell them, say, oh, I'm saying, I give 700,000, because I say, I don't want nobody have no chat over me, you see me? Some of my things stay, you see it? And I'm baller, you know? Yeah, man, we are talking about,
So
man.
like how you give that the man they want 100,000 for top of that they 600,000 they know you must can give me one 600,000 too.
So, simple thing like, baby, I want it.
But me not go why you do. Cause you not drive big car and me no wine or nothing like this.
No, man, this a me weekday car.
If we can do some traffic stuff right or so.
Okay.
Hey, you see all the taxi boy there? See him man every time he go and run taxi, you know. Every time I'm on duty, so my time up on yard with it.
So, but by the way, Constable, you give no time out?
Oh, time out, no sir, no sir. Indeed. T08 over to control. Yes, we on location now, you know. We're at the Petersfield to Rowan River intersection here, and we're doing a little traffic stop. And the time is now 4:15. Sometimes I can't manage control to you know, brother. Because sometimes I call him, brother, it's like, I beg them out there, so. If you send out some patrol vehicle and them something.
We still have to make sure so we contact them because.
Oi, man, oi! Pull over, man. I see you driving without your license plate. It's a hide. And I don't like it.
Yes, boss. Are you alone in our car, sir? Yes, sir.
Let me see some papers. Because I don't feel like say because in a L-line I place. I don't know why license no car.
No, we license on straight, you know.
Alright.
No lean, you know. But we're up to date.
Alright.
Yes, man.
Alright, carry on.
Alright. Respect.
Alright, very
Alright, boss.
So you have to do a little 1 and 2 stop. That's one.
I'm not gonna lie to you, you know, constable. I don't really want to do no work today, you know.
But wait. You know just come off a graduation, man. What you mean? You're fresh off the market. You're supposed to active. Let me tell you something. You see me? You see when they just graduate and them station me up a sentence, eh? Yeah, bad boy, you know. Rotted. Me don't stop taxi man and them out do them traffic business, yeah.
So you done here, sir?
Hoodlums I send them back down answer because me have to clap a tree. Them little boy that they get out and I have to show them say me is dangerous.
No one will say so bad, Sarge.
I mean, what you think them? I think them call me Sergeant Burger. Eh? You take boy life like a burger, man. Cheap.
No one will say so bad.
What you mean?
But, so, I don't really want to jump on and try fight no bad man, you know, because I don't really want to get shot, you know. That's why I make sure so me give my time out, you know.
Oh, man, I'm telling you this, man. You say you can't be too fool, you know. You have a gun for you can't be too fool.
Yeah, but sometimes if I shoot somebody, what if they lock me up?
No, man, just make sure you have a little extra piece or all something. Put on for them, if anything. Stop the car then. Stop the car then. Go to the road, man.
Morning, sir. Turn off your engine now.
Afternoon.
Afternoon.
Yes, Scotty. What on?
You don't realize you broke the stop sign down there, sir?
No, I never broke nothing. Never did I. Never broke nothing, bossy.
You see the big old red sign? See one right there, so too. You never see it?
I only just put that there, so no bossy, I never see that.
We will see some papers there, sir, because a taxi I run.
No, which taxi? I'm a family. I'm a family apart, bossy.
Your family?
Yeah, man.
Get on the glass and let me see what going.
Don't turn on back your vehicle.
Sorry.
Don't turn it back on.
All right. Yeah, man. I'm a son. I'm a daughter. You see me?
You don't know him?
No, sir.
Hello.
No.
Let me see some papers.
It's a prank. Me tell him if he pull. You see me? But yeah, man. Put back your money in your pocket for buy ice cream later on, man.
Hello, step out of the car for me.
Buy ice cream here.
Step out of the car, sir.
Remember, I know. What you not tell mommy say me soon for here?
Step out of the car, sir. Step out of the vehicle, sir.
Me forward.
Cause you take policeman for fool, man.
Come out of the car. I'm a family them for true. Man. I don't lie. Me not lie, sir. Yes, officer.
And your family and them a walk away.
Me tell them if I go buy the ice cream, I go tell them to buy. You see me? I'm send them. Remember, I know. Buy and don't you can't keep it change. You see, sir, my family. Good behavior citizen, you know, Mr. Officer. We don't broke the rule all about here, you know, sir. See that?
Give him a search for me, love.
No, boss.
So where the license?
Yeah, man. Yeah, I have my license, you see it. Yeah, I know so now. You see what you know, because I know so now that I go try and stop. Yeah, man, you see it? You see when you hold it up on the show? Constable. I say, go man, the license. Yeah, man. I mean, man, watch out, man. You see if you, you see it? Yeah? Shut, if you not see two, shut one eye, yeah? And you see it good. Turn on. Yeah, see what I mean?
You take
shot one
policeman
eye.
for fool, boy.
No, Mr. Officer, me just get it.
Eh?
Fresh, Mr. Officer, watch out, man. And the man said, watch out on the examiner, say, when you hold it up so, and hold it to the light, yeah, it show clean, you see me? And it all straight through. You take the policeman for idiot.
No man. You, listen to me. Your goose cook today, you know.
I'm goose, Mr. Officer.
Too much things are going for you. This you don't know light. This your license and it belongs to you.
I'm my license, I'm a pay for it all of $50,000. What you say?
Where name?
Anthony Williams, sir.
This not belongs to you, you know.
Yeah, man, my own, so I'm a pay for it.
You don't look like this a person and you don't name Mr. Ruan Reed.
Sir, if you hold it, look me to the side, to the light. You see how?
Yeah, man, say, like me have to call in control and get them come see this vehicle.
I don't call nobody, sir. But you know eat lunch already? I bribe you, try to bribe officer. No, well,
No.
would I never do that, Mr. Officer.
I'm good. Make you one officer.
Yeah.
Where officer for
I
you?
don't know if you don't eat lunch yet, you see me, car.
How much you say you pay for the license?
400,000 pay for it, man. Yeah, man, because then they say it did kind of one little express is it. And so they send it quick.
I know this is examiner, yeah. So, I don't know what you're going to do for yourself. Is it that you're going to take a vehicle?
No.
Or you're going to send it to the examiner?
We know which party you live, yeah? Or which party you work. We know which party you work, man. Just, but nothing wrong with the license. What wrong with the license? It's brand new, you know.
You can't read.
Eh?
You can't read. You know, like you can't read, none at all. You can't read.
Eat lunch already, you know say? Eat lunch already?
No, man. No.
Breakfast, we're going to eat lunch.
Yeah, man, say you can't read.
Yeah.
You can't read.
Yeah.
Alright. What for you test that they come? Because me want to know.
What you know?
Yeah, me I say no.
I left a glass of my heart still, you know.
Yeah, me I say no. Even my little daughter can look on this right now and read everything what they on it. Here? And you gonna tell me say look on this. Are you that there? This look like a you? Are you that?
When you hold the side, man.
When more side you like a you?
You see, there is a I'm a hide them there.
Okay. What word is this?
Rat that. Rat this. Rat that.
What is one?
Am I see this, sir?
Spell Micey.
So not, but
Smell mercy.
let me see it again one more time. What
This is saying carry, don't it? This is say a fool in take with her, don't it?
Glass. What you know about left a glass?
You left a glass.
Just left a glass. You know normally, just let me see it one more time, I'm gonna tell you.
Come here.
You can go?
Stay right there, sir. And don't take your off I care.
Yo, this someone you can't read it.
Sergeant, first me ever see this in my life.
Alright now. Yeah, well it could be a little more clear, you know. I say if you have no money on it. But whatever I make today, I go for me. Tomorrow for your day, you understand?
Sergeant, can I get one juice?
Yeah man, we can go drink 2 juice right now and like a bar run or something. My family them place.
Alright, that good then, man. Where is it tomorrow right now?
Yeah man, whatever we make tomorrow for you. This is a serious issue, you know. Left or right?
Me not understand that, sir.
You can do for yourself.
You can wash, you can cook, you can clean. None of that we are asking. We not ask you that. What you can do for yourself because as I can see, make sure you know say this a light here are over 25,000 for one. And if you get one of them fender there, this is in a bumper here, fender guard and everything, it will cost you money. And if If you seize a vehicle again, it will cost you money again on a pound. So what you can do for yourself? You can see we out here and we start sweating up. We are work.
I did ask someone if I eat lunch already still. I'm sure everything out of the pocket now too.
No man, the most can do better than that, man. I'm tell you, we look like you. We can do with $100. Give him that back there, man. We can do. Do better than that, man.
I just come on road, Mr. Officer. I just come on road. I swear, me never been as you run out the two passenger them.
Hear what? This is because this a license and belongs to you. And you obviously like say car probably not belongs to you. You have to give it which part you have to give it person where you get this from. You see person where you get the license from, you have to tell where in there.
Okay, yeah man, I can't carry go to him man. I'm a virgin. Know him. But me can't carry it to him man. So me can yeah give me it back. No.
That man are really done, you know. Alright. Mr. say that's 100. Come with you over here, sir. Can you have to give it the exam, man? We'll give you a chance.
Yeah.
We'll give you a chance, man.
Yeah man. So where I go?
Yeah, man. Cause we can't have too much on the drive up on the road we can't read. What is that?
Okay.
Boy, what a word ya?
Yeah, take up with time, sir. Yeah, take up with time.
You know make this easier for yourself, you know.
Shop. Hot.
Yeah, just give me some jumping jack then. Just some jump and set stop. S-T-O-P stop. S-T-O-P stop. And that means you have to stop. You understand? You see the red? It means danger. Stop.
So me say
And stop. Right, so you know man, you learn to spell stop man. When after today, when you see this, we know what I mean. If this you come out to your head after today, you know if you drive on the road. S-T-O-P stop. Come.
S-T-O-P stop. S-T-O-P stop.
You just give me 50 of them there. 50 of them there.
Yeah, we so come. Stop.
Right.
S-T-O-P stop. S. We're tired.
Oh man, continue.
S-T-O-P stop. S-T-O-P.
All station go ahead and acknowledge missing person message.
Yo.
Receive control. Right, control. Highway T75 receive. Constable 489 from Moko Hill receive control.
Let me tell you something. You know that's what you have to be smart.
Kindly take the time out and
Yeah?
sketch them duty in the Denham Town police area. Yes.
Be smart, you
I
know that's
Corporal
something.
T2 and Constable 11. Here we go until 8 a.m. Safe noted control. Receive and be safe.
You can't be too jumpy as a police, you know.
Control, assistance, control. Fast. We need some assistance right now, control, in the Kingston Central here, right beside the Go-Go Club, control, right at the Go-Go shop.
Thank God I turn, cause if I did never do that, so I not move. I not move. Thank God I turn. But hope we be safe still. But me tell me if I didn't know it, then I said me not move friends, brother.
You know, so then he wants to send me up a town side though.
Hmm? Me tell him, me always tell him say no man, it's a downtown Kingston. You know, but I go down and say go on like you know, fool police. Man, them we dash away down there, you town that you know. See them little boy there? I can't trust them. Even when me there at town, I tell you. Enough of them I carry them go dash them down a river town, man. Enough of them, man.
So, Sarge, how you know what commissioner?
Commissioner,
Yeah.
oh man, me tell you something. You see now force us, so. A lot of obeying go on, you know. A lot of them sitting there going. So sometimes when you say we not, cause me I tell them me do the work, but one if superintendent woman there, Miss Black, I tell her, they palm me case, wicked.
Team from Kingston
It's so
Central,
much
be safe
gunshot.
and take cover. A team of 70 police officers and 80 soldiers will be there in short order.
I'm glad I told you there.
Yes, control, and pleased to see if I can give one of them $5,000 to carry on them because one of the squad of them or a small bill down at the club. T128, you're on your own with that. Shift commander central to north.
Right thing shift
Commissioner
commander tell him.
128 receive. Squad when I come in, please come and see me.
You can't go
Alright, my
drink
boss,
rum.
we check in. That time for make it in still.
Well, you know what? You know what I'm going, man? You can't turn up, you can't sit in one place too long, you know. You can't make people watch your move as a police. You have to be total. You understand?
Mm.
So, I'm glad I told them to sit there and go on, because I said, me no run up and down. As a police, I stay to myself. But I not come out and come go like me a hero, you know.
Stop. Yes. Stop. Yes. When you can't read, then you have your name Pambola. When you can't read, man, me take for your girl. When you can't read, you don't know what's going on in the world. Oh, so much things are gonna pass you when you can't read. Rough when you can't read. Rough when you can't read. Rough when you can't read. Whoa, whoa. Rough when you can't read. Rough when you can't.
Yeah, hello?
Yeah. You know, sir, what day when they see me lose, it too call them Sarge. When you make a report to you, you get to understand that's I'm a grandson. And him friend them, take them away. So, right now, me come and now and I look about the code them, come check the code them, can have some water for code them. And me have 2 bullkin tie out on the front out or so. And the 2 bullkin no see disappear. And I get them get away. Can me tie them. Tie them well good. And so on, Bunny. And when me look around and see me, no see them. Then disappear.
Are you sure, say your you're sure?
I'm sure. I'm sure. I'm going to deal with it for me, sir. I'm going to deal with it for me, Sarge.
Alright, no problem. Because you can't have your things them and have your grandpitney them and a thief them. That's not right. Eh? And you are a man, an elderly man. That is that is actually ill right now.
And look for me, sir. Ill. And so on. And me tie me things them with me one hand. Use it and do everything. Everything. Because see me ride my bike. See me bike down there when me carry water and feeding, you know.
Alright.
Things them.
Alright. Alright, just come down to the station and come make a full report, here.
Okay. Okay,
Yeah.
Sarge. Okay, sir.
Alright, take care.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You run out of gas?
No, I'm gonna run out of gas.
I want me a punch out.
No, I'm gonna punch out. What? Alright?
No, me I go to work and the time they go. I mean, I want to reach late.
No, I got late, man.
So wait, little late, you see me? I know somebody are waiting.
No.
So what cause me can stop right here, so? Lady, you can't read.
What you mean?
You don't see big old stop sign there, so.
Yes, it's stop sign there, so what?
So I have to wait till it go green.
So when it go look here. You see stop sign, different from stop light. You can never know. You see any stop light right there, sir?
Yes. Stop one like you want to come take man for idiot now. The other day I come out here, so, and the police stop me. I'm there so the whole time, and then take my papers, and then take my license, and I now make them do it again. So them say anytime I see stop sign, me fi stop. So lady, I stop, me stop. And me now move till it green.
You now move till it stop sign green.
Miss, just
So
sit
the
down
police
easy.
can they tell you say stop sign and stop light? That can change color. You know what kind of little idiot? Hold on there. What kind of idiot driver?
We have to take out the seatbelt for.
No. Why me take this a taxi here?
So me not go carry you go where you go, miss me just wait for the light
You
for
know
change. Sign for change.
From the beginning, me shouldn't come in your car. Look on your piece of old car when me come in. I just 2 minutes later, I could have get another taxi. You come here, so waste my time and come tell me about police. So when you see stop light, stop sign if you stop. Like a stop light. You sure see here what the police say?
Miss.
That is not a stop light. That is a stop sign.
Wait a miss.
Look here. You notice the road turns so and so. That means you need to stop here so.
Then
When
stop
you
me,
carry
stop.
a boat. But you tell me about that I got change color. All the stop sign color got change. Yeah, idiot. You know so the taxi boy are fool though.
It's a stop, miss. I'm a stop. Me I obey my law, you know, cause the other day, me get a whole heap of money me have to pay.
No man, I buy a license. Where I get it from?
I'm not talking about this buy license from the other day. Now 400,000 pay for my license. I miss have a legal something buying. I miss.
Say, look how much you damn idiot. I wish examiner give you a license. You damn papi sure. I wish depot you go.
You want your number?
One wish number, Fidua. You and the examiner idiot. He man rob you and trick you damn fool. I will give you a license. I like a uno no fi dep on the road. Can no cause accident.
Think, Chris, man. I bet you say you get a ticket when you start drive.
Get
Watch.
the ticket, you idiot, you damn fool. Who
Watch
give you
now.
license and you can't read, you're big and dumb.
I mean,
But
me can't read. Then I be gonna stop that. Let me see.
I will tell us
Who can't read now?
Yes, of course, it's stop mark on it, but it's not a stoplight.
What you mean by?
One way
The
I
police have to stop.
Yeah, keep up my time. And I can't tell about where police.
I idiot, man. Woman, you idiot, you know. Somebody know say, hey, I wanna make the world bad, you know. I wanna learn. I wanna fi take telling. Doc, this is one idiot. I don't know me pick up all on you know. Man tell me if stop, I'm stop. Think me a idiot. Crosses. Long time man there so now you know man. I can't move you now. Holy passenger gone, you know.
Rough when you carried, rough when you carried. Oh, yeah. Whoa, rough when you carried. When you carried, then you have your name Pambola. When you can't read, man, me take for your girl.
Noogle me come to, big boss.
Is that man buy names are still
What's on no? You probably is enough name that him and Antonio Williams didn't say name.
Is that man worry buy names are still You know, say me my daughter and me auntie live there.
But he done say you say he live still, you see it? So you see it?
I think I can get right address to man.
No man, alright, that's how you say he live man. How far care that?
You say I feel me one do man.
Oh.
Yeah.
But he done say you say he live still, so I don't know. Noogle man drive one Nissan Wing Road man. And the front type mash up man.
Yesterday I'm there though, I see pass me going on his scheme though.
One Nissan, one grey Nissan Wing Road.
Yeah, right front type mash up man.
Front type mash up and the back sinking.
Yeah.
I see man. So you say no yes sir? You live?
No, I said but in the one bar around the road yes man.
Jesus. That's that man, everything good.
Alright, my general.
Yeah my brother. Where you say bar? Around there sir?
We're going to go in the corner, yes, man.
Around the corner?
Yeah. Oh, that's what supermarket do.
Alright. Me want say you can get taxi sir?
Yeah man.
Alright, me will get a taxi sir.
Alright, my general.
Yeah.
Hey, everybody, yo, baby, you see that? Watch out. Come in, no man. And that me talk about, you know. See it there? We're richer now. Watch out. Anyway you want to go, baby girl. Oh, you talk no matter laugh. A serious thing. Anything you want right now. Me give you a piece of food, quick and fast.
We need all of that.
No, you're your chest too, little bit too high. But you know, baby man, me can carry you anywhere you want to go, you know, man. And my car that park up out the door there, you know, man.
Can't afraid of me.
I know the car me I use right now, car me I use to carry you. See the money now, can buy anything you see it.
Yeah, my general, see carry man. Left me right, that's right, that's man. See carry man. Yeah man, right, that's right. Yo, respect you know.
Yeah, man, no problem.
Yeah man, all for respect, brother. See yeah. Yeah man, I hate this. Take it from him, man. You see it? Oh, go on, brother.
Style, I ain't a baby girl. No, mama need it.
Hey, Mr. Noble.
Rough.
Brother, about 1 million times I call it, brother.
Nah, man, what you talk about, man?
What you mean,
This
no,
phone
man?
in ring, none of that. You hear my phone ring from me now? No. Me all talk say, yo, nobody no call me from money, nobody never remember me G. Nothing no go so, man.
Virgin, from me, listen to me, I say, I don't want to embarrass you in front of the lady, brother. Brother, just give me a car key, my father.
What you mean you want it? What go on?
Brother, look at the man from me, give you the car, you know, can't not even $1 come give me, brother.
You mean to me soon forward, me John,
brother, you mean soon forward? Be a style thing at that one, brother.
No, man, watch out, man.
Style thing at that one, brother. See me call, yo,
Road
call
at
post,
me,
brother, me call post, come back off my fan, brother. Yo, give me my car key, brother.
Just give me a my general.
Brother, me call my woman left me, brother.
Watch yourself, you can't. Watch out, don't tell her, show her vibes to this, you can't.
No, man, I'm not depend that, man.
Just give me a now. Me go carry a thing come here later.
No, watch out, man. Just give me a car key, brother. Come out, come out.
No, watch out. No.
Watch out, man.
Just
give me car key. Give me car key, man.
Big brother.
Now the news. 2 men were sentenced today to imprisonment for carrying out fraudulent activities in the Westmoreland Parish Court. The accused men are known as John Green, also known as Monio, as well as Romain Black, also known as Linkman. Their lawyers said that they will be applying for appeal in the near future.
My God. Then Linkman and Monio, did I really thief?
Auntie, I'm getting hungry.
You're getting hungry? What's the me for girl? Sasha tell her this.
Rough when you carried, rough when you carried, rough when you carried. Oh, yeah. Whoa. When you can't read, then you have your name Pambola. When you can't read, man, we take for your girl. When you can't read, you don't know what's going on in the world. Oh, so much things are gonna pass you when you can't read. Rough when you can't read, rough when you can't read, rough when you can't read. Whoa. Rough and a carried, rough and a carried. Well, I have to learn how to read, you know. Cause you don't know when I
yeah, man, so subscribe, share, like. Yeah, man, do anything you want to do with the movie. And remember, I have a music channel also. It's called J Tsunami Vivo. So you can run, go over there. Go subscribe as well. The J is spelled D-R-A-E. Tsunami without a T, S-U-N-A-M-I. J Tsunami Vivo. Cause the music as well too, you know. Yeah, man, we can sing to man. Oh, yeah, say, man. So go on over there and go show on the support. Big up on yourself. Just enjoy the one. See?